Hello everyone, thank you once again for clicking on this video. I hope you all are doing perfectly fine. Today I share with you this easy homemade virgin cold pressed coconut oil. Very easy to put together and you will love the outcome. If today been your first time on this channel, hello, this is Cooking with Efia. Do wait to subscribe to my channel and be part of this beautiful family. So now, without wasting my time, let's dive right in. Alright, so obviously our main ingredients for this cold pressed coconut oil is going to be coconut. And so I'm going to be using 3 medium-sized matured coconuts. It should be very matured and healthy, just the way you see it on your screens right now. So to start with everything, I'm going to crack the coconuts to get rid of the shells, because I'll be needing just the flesh of the coconut and not the shells. The shells can also be used to fetch firewood if you don't know that. This is one tip for you. And for the water or the coconut drink, today I discard it. If you want to drink it, why not? It's very healthy for your soul. And as a diabetic patient, the coconut water is best for you. Trust me on this one. So that was just by the way. Let's concentrate on the cold press coconut oil. So now we are done cracking the coconut. So we're going to remove the shells from the coconuts using the knife. You can also use any object that can help you remove the shells from the coconuts. So whilst that is going on, let me also use this opportunity to thank you all my returning subscribers and new foodie members right here. You guys are amazing. Thank you so much for liking my videos, also commenting on my videos. Fam, I am very grateful. Thank you so much for doing that. Alright, so whilst we are done removing the flesh of the coconut from the shell, I'll go ahead and wash the coconut for about 2 to 3 times until it's nice and very clean. Since we're going to be using this coconut to make a whole lot of goodies, keeping it healthy is the best. Alright, so whilst the coconut is nice and very clean, I'll go ahead and cut it very nicely into pieces, just the way you see it on the screens right now. We're going to blend this, so you need to cut it according to how your blender works or how strong your blender is. Alright, you can also grate it if you want to, but cutting it right now is stress-free for me, so let's do this together. Alright, so fam, if you are still with me at this point and you haven't still subscribed to the channel yet, what are you waiting for? Kindly do subscribe to my channel. Also turn on the post notification bell so that anytime I upload amazing recipes on this channel, you'll be among the first person to be notified. Don't forget as well to share this video to your lovely friends and family, for them also to enjoy this amazing recipe as well. Thank you so much for doing that. Alright, so after I am done cutting the coconut, I'll transfer it into my blender. I'll add a little amount of water to it and I'll blend until it's nice and smooth. Next, you're going to need a bowl, a neat cloth or a strainer that can help you strain out the milk from the coconut very well. So after pouring in the blended coconut, I will squeeze it out very well, just the way you see it on your screens right now. We really want to make sure we get a lot of milk from the chaff. So after squeezing out the milk from the chaff, I realized the chaff was too much, so I needed to reblend it and strain it again. You can also throw it away if you don't want to, but this time around I'm not wasting anything out. I need to get rid of all the milk from the coconut. So now let's strain it for the second time. So after straining everything, this is how the milk should look like. It should be very, very smooth, very white, and it shouldn't have any chaff in it. Very, very smooth, just the way you see it on your screens right now. So whilst that is done, I'm going to transfer this milk into an airtight container. Alright, so whilst that is done, I'll cover it and allow it to sit for about 16 to 24 hours approximately, and this is after 24 hours. And as you can see, the curd and the cream has settled on top beautifully, and that's just what we're looking for. And the water is also beneath the curd and the cream, just the way you see it on your screens right now. And at this point, as you can see, the oil is beginning to form, and that's what we're looking for. And at this point, it's showing signs of fermentation as well. So I'll cover it again for about 10 minutes to 15 minutes in the refrigerator, and after 10 to 15 minutes, this is how it turned out. The milk has solidified very well with the oil, and that's what we're looking for. So that is what is going to form the oil as well. So we're going to remove it from the oil, remaining the water. So for the water as well, since we fermented it, you can as well use it for any recipe that requires for it, but I don't encourage you to use fermented coconut water for any recipe. But if the recipe requires for it, why not? You can use it. All right, but for today, I'm going to discard it because I don't really need it anymore. So after removing all the curd and the milk from the water, just the way you see it on your screens right now, I'm going to allow this oil and the milk to also melt very well, because at this point I still have some water in it. So I'll cover it with the lid and also cover it as well with some clean napkin to keep it warm. You can as well keep this in the sun if you want to. All right, so after about 6 hours of keeping it warm, this is how it turned out. The coconut oil has separated itself from the water, so I'm going to strain it to get rid of the oil from the water. So you're going to do this gradually. You might get some of the water in the oil as well, but don't mind. I'll keep this for about 10 minutes again, and I'll restrain it. Whilst that is going on, if you haven't still liked this video yet, baby, what are you waiting for? Kindly do like this video. Also share this video to your lovely friends and family, for them also to enjoy this beautiful and inspiring recipe as well. Thank you so much for doing that. All right, so now our coconut oil is ready after straining it for the second time. So I'm going to cover this, and I'm going to keep this in my refrigerator for about 30 minutes, and after 30 minutes, this is how it turned out. Our cold pressed coconut oil is ready. Fam, let me know in the comment section what you think about this extra virgin coconut cold press oil. Coconut oil is very, very healthy and very, very beneficial. You can use this for your cooking, for your baking, for your hair routine, or your skincare routine. Trust me, you will love this, and I hope you're going to try this recipe as well. Thank you so much for watching this video to this point, and if you enjoyed to this point, that means you are always a proud foodie member. Do it to subscribe to my channel, also turn on the post notification bell, and be part of this beautiful family. Thank you so much, and kindly stay blessed. Bye.